Really? Affordable plans that work. Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by publishing? Frustrated with spray and pray marketing advice? You need a real plan, not more random tips. Hi, I'm Hank Quentz. I've helped emerging authors publish and market their books with clear, step by step coaching. No chaos, no guesswork, just a roadmap that works. I offer 4 coaching paths, 2 for self publishing and 2 more on basic book marketing. With do it yourself plans, you get one on one coaching with clear action steps. You implement, I guide, and review affordable tactics that work. With done for you plans, I handle the technical work, professional setup and optimization. You review deliverables while I implement everything. Launch faster without the headaches. Ready to start? Book a free discovery call and we'll choose the right path for your book.